And Your Honor, Mr. Thomas would like to, Ali Thomas would like to plead no contest in this matter. We're going to be requesting adjournment to get the paperwork in order for that.
I'm sorry.
Mr. Ali Thomas would like to plead no contest. Discuss with Mr. Hawthorne. We're going to be requesting adjournment to get the paperwork together for that.
Chaos starts immediately as attorneys struggle to locate Derek Stewart, while conflicting forensic reports raise serious competency concerns. The judge tries maintaining control, but confusion keeps building with every answer and interruption. This courtroom morning quickly turns unpredictable, and the tension only grows stronger. Subscribe now for breakdowns and reactions.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joy Gaines, your Assistant Public Defender. We too do not believe that there is a conflict, but would waive any conflict if there is one.
Thank you. The court also does not believe there's a conflict either in admission. The court rules other cases decided thereunder. To the extent a conflict does exist, given the waivers, the court will consent. Court does call the case of the people of the state of Michigan versus Derek Stewart.
Morning, Your Honor. Bringing folk for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joy Gaines, Senior Assistant Public Defender, representing Mr. Stewart.
Mr. Stewart, can you state your name, please, sir?
Mr. Derek Stewart.
All right.
Your Honor, the two things. First, I called the Forensic Center to speak with Mr. Stewart, and he told me that he was not there. So I'm very happy to see him. I then later went to the jail, and they told me he was at the Forensic Center. And I called again this morning, and I was told again this morning that he's not there. So I'm very glad to see him. The last report I have is from December, which indicates that Mr. Stewart is still incompetent and not restorable. I called the Forensic Center and left a message to see if there was more recent report, and I have not received a response. I would ask that the court continue Mr. Stewart under the orders for restoration.
All right. I will adjourn his competency to hearing. I will adjourn that. Give me a date. Give me a first date, Jim.
June 4th.
4th?
Yes.
June 4th,
Okay.
2026 at 9 a.m. We'll move that date up if necessary.
Thank you.
Thank you. Did
Your
you
Honor.
have something? Yes, sir.
My name's Crystal. Hold on, let me get on camera. My name's Crystal, and Mr. Stewart is actually at Walter Reuther. That's why they keep giving you the runaround. He's at Walter Reuther and should be completing a report. Should have it by the beginning of May. That's when it's due again.
There should be a report by the beginning of May.
Yes, yep, there's one coming up.
Then let me change that date. Give me mid-May as the date.
May 14th.
I'll adjourn it then to May 14th, 2026 at 9 a.m. All right. Thank you very much for that information.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Thank you.
On continue. Court does call the case People versus Michael Bank.
Michael Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Bank, Your Honor.
Yes. Mr. Bank, can you state your name, please?
Yes, Michael Bank.
All right.
Your Honor, we've submitted a green sheet. We're asking for another brief adjournment. There is some discovery that we have signed an order to receive some video on this matter, as well as I need to meet with Mr. Bank via the Oakland County site. Talk to him briefly, but their site went down in the afternoon on Tuesday.
Got it. How much time did you want? How long is
Fine, Judge.
pardon?
2 weeks will be fine.
Would be okay. All right. Probable cause conference will be adjourned to the 16th.
Thank you, Judge.
April 16th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
I'll set up another meeting, Mr. Bank, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Court calls the case People versus Derek Hunt. Oh, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Special Assistant Attorney General Mitchell Wood for the people.
Good morning.
Morning, Judge. Brian Bowling on behalf of Mr. Hunt, who hopefully should be present on Zoom.
Mr. Hunt, you have him. Mr. Hunt, you'll have to talk so you come to my screen. Where do you have it?
He's not unmuted and don't.
Okay, but where do you have him?
I know he's bonded out.
Got it. I got you. And he's not responding. Derek Hunt.
During Derek Hunt's hearing, the case suddenly shifts toward money bond transfers and plea negotiations. Prosecutors question why nearly $5,000 still hasn't reached the correct court account, while defense attorneys request extra time. One delayed payment could completely affect Hunt's future charges and possible misdemeanor resolution here.
Okay. He's on now. State your name, sir.
Derek Hunt.
Right.
Judge, I'm asking for an adjournment in this matter. There's kind of a condition precedent, if you will, that Mr. Hunt needs to complete to make the plea offer, essentially to trigger the plea offer. This case, making a payment. He just needs a little more time. So if we could get a little more time, that would be appreciated.
All right. How much more time would he need?
Month.
Is there any objection from the people?
Judge, I'm wondering about the bond in this matter. My notes say that Mr. Hunt paid a $49.47, so $4,947 cash bond. And I know that you do have a mechanism to get that immediately paid over. I assume Mr. Hunt wants to pay that over.
Well, whether he wants to or not, the condition of his bond is that it would be paid on the case. So if it was paid in, it should get over there. And I do see the bond. And what we will do, Mr. Attorney General, we'll contact 15th to see where that is in process and why it hasn't gotten over there if it hasn't.
And just for the record, the amount that he would need to pay to trigger the plea offer is a little more than what the bond was that was posted. So he just needs a little more time for that, Your Honor.
All right.
Right, and brother counsel there, I don't know if it's about $2,500 more is what I calculate. Very close to 2,500. Then you'd get to that delay point where you can potentially end up with a simple misdemeanor.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
And my staff checked, and the check was cut February 10th. So that's at 15th District Court. I would be a bit concerned too if it was cut then, why it's not showing up. But what we'll do is we'll send an email and then communicate to the parties where that may be.
Perfect.
All
Thank
right.
you very much, Judge. And brother counsel, $729 a month is his monthly obligation as well. So
He's aware of
gotta
that.
be paying that. Great. All right. Nothing more from the people, Judge.
All right. Probable cause conference will be adjourned into May 7th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond will continue. All right.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Warner Ali Thomas. Was that it for the agenda? Oh,
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Davi Lebo on behalf of Mr. Ali Thomas.
your name?
Warner Victor Ali Thomas.
And Your Honor, Mr. Thomas would like to, Ali Thomas would like no contest in this matter. We're going to be requesting adjournment to get the paperwork in order for that.
I'm sorry.
Mr. Ali Thomas would like to plead no contest. I've discussed it with Mr. Hawthorne. We're going to be requesting adjournment to get the paperwork together for that.
Yeah, I have a plea form of guilty, but you're trying to change that and you have to get the paperwork in.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is he being held on anything else?
Yes, Your Honor.
Surrounding house yesterday. I did not.
That's fine. All right. I will adjourn this out then 1 week so we can try to get this thing done to the 9th
Thank you.
at 9 a.m. Thank you. Bond continue. Court calls case People versus Braisha Anderson, 3 cases.
People. Assistant Public Defender Jay Ballinger on all matters not ending in 5330, Your Honor.
Why do you do?
And,
Because it annoys you.
and,
I appreciate your honesty. All right.
and Sherilyn Foster Tucker, on behalf of Braisha Anderson in the remaining case.
You're like together on this. And Ms. Anderson, state your name, please. Thank you.
And Your Honor, our client is at the home and
Why is he talking to me? Your noise being. No, go.
our client is at the home of New Vision currently. However, in speaking with her, it's our understanding that she does wish to set these matters for preliminary examination. To our knowledge, all discovery is complete.
That is correct.
All right. Would the people have their witnesses on the 14th?
Your Honor.
Preliminary examination will be set for April 14th, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Moore.
And Ms. Anderson, you understand that you do need to be here in person.
That is in person.
Yes, it's at that courtroom, right?
It's at the 14A1. Same courtroom you've been.
That building. Okay, yeah, all right, absolutely.
All righty.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Courthouse case versus Jacob Dorset.
After multiple adjournments, competency questions, and plea discussions, the courtroom finally pauses with several major decisions still unresolved. Every defendant now faces stricter deadlines, financial pressure, or upcoming examinations before returning before the judge again. Like, comment, and subscribe for more shocking courtroom stories, legal drama, and detailed case breakdowns.